quick tutorial on using symmetry in Quilt Assist. You may hear my bird in the background. I picked out just a very easy shape to start with. You could start with a circle, but I thought this was very simple to start with. And I want to get the center for symmetry because I want both sides exactly the same. This is your symmetry button. If you click down this arrow, you can go left to right, up and down, which I think left and right is X and up and down is Y. So we can just do and see where it lands. This is a 5-inch square, but it looks like my design is just a little bit off. And you can also see down here where your X and your Y are. But you can see that's probably almost perfect, but it's rare that you have a picture that's directly in the center. So we're going to go ahead and adjust that. And you can go down here to custom. And see, here's your X and your Y showing 2.5 because my square is 5 inches. You can also change it to centimeters, millimeters. Okay. It looks like it's just a tiny bit off, so I'm going to change it, the X, to move over to the left. So I'm going to do 2.45. That will move it over just a tiny bit. If I wanted to move it to the right, I would add on to 2.5, like 2.55. Dang, it moved over just a tiny bit. Okay, we'll go ahead and start. When I'm making straight lines, I usually don't use symmetry, because see what happens? I do is I go up here, turn it off, make my straight line, and go ahead and make another one, and another one. And we'll go back over here and turn on my symmetry, and it still should be on the correct adjustment. And I'm just drawing the bottle, the potion bottle. Let's just say I want to change something. I want to make this a different size, maybe make it a little wonky looking. If I right click on the line, both lines disappear. I may not want both lines to disappear. I may only want to delete one line. So I turn off my symmetry, click right on that line, the line I want to disappear, and the other one remains. And let's just say, let's make it a little bit larger. When you're also using your color in Quilt Assist, if you have it on symmetry, it will color both pieces on both sides, the right and left. And that's it. It's very simple. I could do another video of, let's say you have you want to do a center. Okay. let's just say your object is over here that you want to maybe, if you're doing something fandom, maybe an eye or a circle, and it's over here and you just want to do that one. I can show you how to do that on the next video if you would like.